Who coached Steve Jobs? Who coached CEOs of World Bank, Walmart, Pfizer, Toyota, GSK, Ford Motors, Tata, Goldman Sachs, Siemens? They are coming to you. John Mattone, world #1 coaching guru and coach to Steve Jobs, and Dr. Marshall Goldsmith, world #1 executive coach. Dr. Peter Chi, world #1 strategic innovation coach.
Dr. Marsha Reynolds, world #1 professional coaching body, ICF former global president. Darlin DJ Mitch, world #1 professional coaching body, ICF former global president. Arthur Carmazzi, world #1 organizational culture guru.
Rise up to exponential growth at the Certified Chief Master Coach, CCMC, program.
Globally timed for New York, London, Singapore. Coached by the best to be the best.
Leverage best practices and learnings from cutting-edge toolkit, materials, mobile app and e-learning. Accelerate game-changing breakthrough results by accomplishing challenging assignments and projects. Transform and create a high-performance coaching culture for exponential and sustainable growth. Empower your rapid growth by having a chief mentor coach throughout your journey. Synergize and network with mega gurus, top leaders, key talents, and industry captains. Transform leaders to triumph in a challenging world with the Certified Chief Master Coach, CCMC, program.